Hello everyone, my name is Robert Villafane from Revolution Data Systems. I've got an exciting and much requested new feature to share with you today. It's the recycle bin. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enable it and make use of it. So I'm going to go to our administrator page. I'm going to log in with our administrative user. I'm going to head to the application management section, select our data source, and then choose the applications menu where we can search for an application that we want to enable the recycle bin for. I'll try with accounts receivable. Okay, as you can see, by default, enable recycle bin is not enabled, so let's go ahead and enable it and save. So we'll go ahead and do an IIS reset with our handy PowerShell window. And then we'll head back to AppEnhancer Web Access. Again, logging in with our administrator account. We can do that from local. You won't be able to do that remotely unless you have the option enabled in your config settings. But you can always test this out from the server itself as an administrator. And then we'll take a look at accounts receivable, and you can see we have active documents that we're going to search for. And we've got this CV443 that we're going to delete. Okay, you can see that it has been successfully deleted. And if we go back to the accounts receivable new query page and select recycled documents and run that query, we can see that this document is indeed in the recycle bin and not fully deleted. We have the option to restore the document, permanently delete the document, or close the document. If we close, it'll take us back out to the query page. We can select the document and restore. Okay, and if we check for recycled documents again, there are no documents in the recycle bin. And if we do a search, we can see that that document has then been restored. Okay, I hope that you find this helpful, and have a wonderful day.